Life is just better with the top down. That's why Bestop created their awesome line of soft tops. But what if I told you it could be even better? The Sunscreen by Bestop is designed to attach to the Sunrider for hardtop or your Bestop soft top, providing you with a complete open air system. It's as simple as it gets. Just flip open the top and pull the screen forward. Enjoy the open air sensation you crave while having the option for shade on demand, whether you're cruising under the blazing sun or just need a break from its heat. And when you start missing the sun, you can simply unhook the sunscreen and allow it to roll up. It's super easy, barely an inconvenience. The Sunscreen is compatible with several Jeep models, including the 2020 to 24 Jeep Gladiator, the 2007 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, and the 2018 to 24 Jeep Wrangler JL. The Sunscreen by Bestop is the perfect addition to your Jeep, giving you the freedom to enjoy open air and seek shade when needed. With the Sunscreen, you'll be ready to hit the open road and soak up the sun. If you want to know more about the Sunscreen from Bestop or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.